Okay, so here are the directions for the second experiment in the Gravity Force Lab. If you look carefully in the second experiment, all these directions are explained in the procedures and materials. The first step is to convert your weight in pounds into newtons. So like we discussed, it's going to the weight you have in 150 pounds, say, is the gravitational force. So the weight represents a gravitational force. We just have to convert it to newtons using 4.4 newtons equal to 1 pound. Basically multiply by 4.4, just like the example shows. Once you do that, you're going to go to this website on the internet, and here's what that website looks like. You have to fill in your weight below. You want to fill in your weight in newtons. So notice the weight that's in here is converted from 150 pounds to newtons. So that's 660 newtons. Once you hit the calculate button, the website will provide you with what your weight would be in newtons on each of these planets. And you want to record all of these that are listed on the data sheet. So they're all listed on the data sheet. Basically, you're filling in this table. Weight on this planet comes from this website where it says your weight is. These units are newtons, assuming you did the conversion correctly at the beginning. Now to get this other column, the second column where it says gravitational acceleration on this planet, like it says in the directions, you want to Google the planet, okay? So for instance, on Earth, gravitational acceleration, g, is 9.8 in meters per second squared. But on other planets, we're going to have to look this up. So let's take an example for Mercury. So I'm going to Google Mercury, probably bring me to the Wikipedia page at some point. There's Mercury the planet, not the element. So Mercury the planet on the Wikipedia page. You have to scroll down on the right-hand side until you get to, see where it says physical characteristics. The physical characteristic we want is the equatorial surface gravity, and the units are meters per second squared. So this is the strength of gravity, the acceleration that gravity pulls down in meters per second squared on Mercury. So that 3.7 in meters per second squared, this 3.7, that's going to go into your data table for Mercury 3.7. And that's how you fill in the data table for experiment 2.